Good morning to all of you. Today I am going to explain you how to insert some geometric means between two given numbers. Okay. So first of all, what is the geometric mean? Geometric mean is the number between two number which follows this condition. Suppose A and B are two numbers between which if G is a geometric mean, then it must follow the rule that common ratio between these consecutive numbers should be same, since they should form a GP, like G by A should be equal to B by G. Okay, by cross multiplication G square should be equal to AB. It implies that G should be equal to under root AB, where G is the geometric mean, where G is the geometric means. Okay, so G is a geometric mean, which is symbol of geometric mean. So it is a geometric mean between two numbers, then that will be given by under root of product of these two numbers. Okay, got it? Now the question is that how to find more than one geometric means between two given numbers. Okay, so if A and B are two numbers and you have to insert, suppose four geometric means, so G1, G2, G3, G4. These G1, G2, G3, G4 are four geometric means between these two numbers A and B. How will you find these values in terms of A and B? Just see. So first, second, third, fourth, fifth and sixth. Since two terms are already given, you are inserting four geometric means. So how many terms will now be in this GP? Since geometric means will also form a series which will be in GP. Okay. So here this B is your sixth term. So this T6 is equal to first term. Okay, first term into R power this 6 minus 1, 5. Is it clear? So it is a, here T6 is B, so B is equal to A R power 5. It implies that B upon A is equal to R, means R power 5 is equal to B by A. It implies that R is equal to B by A power 1 by 5. This is a very most important term. Here you can calculate common ratio in terms of A, B and number of geometric mean to be inserted between two numbers. Is it clear? Thus in general, if you have for n geometric means, for n geometric means between two number A and B, what will be R? This R will be given by the B by A power 1 by how many numbers? N numbers. So n plus 1. 1 upon n plus 1. Just like this. Okay. See here. 4 number, that's why 1 by 4 plus 1, 5. Now by this way you can calculate R. R is common ratio. Once first term and common ratio is known, you can find all the terms just like now. Thus your G1 will be equal to A into R. G2 will be equal to A into R square. G3 will be equal to AR cube. G4 AR power 4. And similarly Gn means nth geometric progression, it will be AR power n. Got the point? Okay. Now by taking some examples, if you have to insert three geometric means between the number 3 and 3 by 16. So see how many geometric means are required to insert 3. So that is equal to n. N is equal to 3. And A, first number A, this is 3 and B B is your 3 by 16. You have to write A and B, between which you have to insert some geometric means. So A is 3, B is 3 by 16. Now and n is the total number of geometric means that to be inserted. Thus, first of all you need to find common ratio. This R common ratio, I can write it, common ratio R is equal to B by A power 1 upon n plus 1. This is your formula. So this is equal to B. B is 3 by 16 by A. A is your 3. So it is 1 upon how many numbers? 3. So n is equal to 3. 3 plus 1, 4. This is your 1 by 2 power 4 and into 1 by 4. Okay, since 1 by 16 is here. So this 4 cancelled out. It is 1 by 2. So R is known now. R is known. Now if R is known, then how can we calculate these all geometric means? G1, G2 and G3. 3 geometric means are required here. So here G1 will be equal to A into R, G2 will be A into R square, G3 will be equal to AR cube. These G1, G2, G3 are arithmetic means. So this is A. A is what? 3. R is 1 by 2. Therefore first geometric mean is 3 by 2. AR squared, 3 into 1 by 2 square, 1 by 4. This is 3 by 4. And AR cube, 3 into 1 by 8. This implies 3 by 8. So here these 3, 3 by 2, 3 by 4, 3 by 8 and thereafter 3 by 16. So see, between the number 3 and 3 by 16 we have inserted 3 geometric means, and these 3 geometric means are 3 by 2, 3 by 4, 3 by 8. Okay. Similarly, some other questions like insert 5 geometric means between 1 by 3 and 2, 4, 3. Another question is insert 5 geometric means. 5 geometric means n is 5. Between which number? Between 1 by 3 and 2, 4, 3. 1 by 3 and 2, 4, 3. So see here, this first number is A is 1 by 3 and B is the another number between which you have to find some geometric means. Here n is the 5 geometric means you have to insert between A and B. Thus R, first of all you have to find common ratio. This common ratio R is given by B by A power 1 upon n plus 1. This implies that B is 2, 4, 3 by A is 1 by 3. Okay, its power 1 upon n, how many number? 5. 5 plus 1, 6. So this implies that 2, 4, 3 into 3 power 1 by 6. This implies that how much? 2, 4, 3 into 3 power. I think it should be 3 power 6 into 1 by 3 implies that 3. So the value of R is 3. Now if R is 3, then can you find all 5 geometric means? Yes. G1 AR, G2 AR square, G3 AR cube, G4 AR power 4, G5 AR power 5. Now putting the value of A and R. How? A is what? 1 by 3. R is 3. This will give you 1. A is 3. 1 by 3 and 3 square. 3 into 3. That will be 3. This one will be 1 by 3 into 3 cube. 3 into 3 into 3. That will give you 9. Thus, this will give you 1 by 3 into 3 power 4. Here 27. This will give 1 by 3 into 3 power 5. 27 into 3. 3 7 are 21. Okay, 1, 3 2 is 6, 2, 8. So these all are geometric means. So in between 1 by 3 and 2, 4, 3, The geometric means are 1, 3, 9, 27 and 81. Okay, in this way